Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Manvi. So today we are making DIY photo gift box. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for this you will need some designer sheets, some photos, 2 cardboard roll which fit each other, a cardboard and a ribbon. So firstly, make the base of both the rolls with cardboard as shown so that it can look like a box. Now secure the joints as shown by pasting tissue paper with Fevicol mixed with water. Now take the photos and cut them in the dimensions of your box. Do the same with the sheets, but cut 4 more circles from the sheet. Like I took 12 photos, so I had to cut 16 circles from the sheet. Now take the ribbon and paste the circles and photos as shown except 2 circles. Now trim the ribbon by leaving some ribbon after the last photo. Now you can even personalize your gift by writing something on the circles. Now take the ribbon and fold as shown. Now take the base of box and cover it with a sheet like this. Securely paste the sheet on the box as shown. Do the same with the lid. Now our box is ready. ribbon and trim it according to the box height. Take the last 2 circles and paste on the end of the ribbon. And paste them on the base of the box. Now just put the photos like this. At the end, paste the first circle on the box of the lid. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Bye.